Yes, good day everyone. Olariwaju here, aka Larry, and I'm also known as the Eminent Trader. And in this class, I'll be introducing you to Forex trading or Forex markets or Forex, whichever one you deem fit to call it. But I'll be introducing you to Forex trading. And what I'll be beginning with is what is Forex? What, what is something? Right? What is Forex? So that is what we'll be looking at. What is Forex? Forex is basically a short form or an abbreviation for foreign exchange. It is a global decentralized market where we exchange currencies for profit. The sole aim of trading the Forex market is for you to make profit. There is no other major reason. The ultimate goal in Forex trading is to make profit. Now, the foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world. It is even larger than all the stock markets in the world combined when it comes to their daily volume, because the daily volume in the forex market is $5 to $7 trillion. That is the amount that goes round and round in the forex market every single day. $5 to $7 trillion. And it is so vast that every single person and every single company or government through its central bank in the world contributes to it one way or another. The forex market is a global market in which the currency of a nation is exchanged for that of another nation at a mutually agreed rate. And this is because it is a decentralized network of buyers and sellers that allows individuals, institutions, and businesses to convert one currency to another for a variety of reasons like commerce, tourism, or mere speculations, unlike the stocks, commodities, or crypto markets. And one thing you should understand is that there is no central exchange for trading Forex. Instead, the currencies are traded via an electronic network of global banks, dealers, and brokers. And that is basically how it works. And for crypto mostly is centralized because you have exchanges like Binance, like Bybit, like Binx, like OKEx, like BitJet, and the likes. They all have exchanges where you can go to trade your crypto, unlike stocks and commodities, because stocks are like assets that belong to a company. Even commodities to belong to some entities. Do you get? But Forex is not owned by anybody, so it is not centralized. Forex is decentralized. And another thing is that the Forex market is only open 24 hours a day on Mondays to Fridays, that is weekdays. The foreign exchange market is only open on Mondays to Fridays. While for synthetic indices, it's open 24/7. Do you understand the dynamics now? Synthetics is another aspect entirely. Then foreign exchange, when it comes to trading currency pairs and commodities and stocks, is only open to trade on Mondays to Friday. That is 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Some people use 24/5 instead of 24/7. So 24/5 signifies Monday to Friday. So you get to trade. And one reason why I like this is the fact that you get to trade on Monday to Friday and you get to rest on weekends. Unlike crypto traders that they have to keep looking at the market 24/7 because the market is open 24/7. The crypto market does not sleep. The synthetic indices market does not also sleep. They are all open 24/7, Monday to Sunday. You can wake up Sunday morning and trade crypto or trade synthetic. You can wake up Saturday night and trade crypto or trade synthetics. So, and this is basically because banks don't open on weekends. So that is why the FX market is like that. And this is because currencies are traded worldwide in four major financial centers. Currencies are traded worldwide in four major financial centers. That is London, sorry, London, New York, Sydney, and Tokyo. So those are the four major centers where where Forex, where currencies are traded worldwide. They are called the major financial centers. That is where Forex is being traded. So those are the four major financial centers. And there's so many transactions that are completed in the Forex market every single day. Like I said earlier, it runs into trillions of dollars, like 5 to 7 trillion dollars. And the total volume of the stock market in the world doesn't even come close to the volume of the Forex market every single day. For example, now the entire stock market daily volume in the US is just around 250 to $300 billion, while the FX market can even be as high as $7 trillion, and sometimes it can be more when it comes to the daily volume. That is the amount that goes around in the market every single day. So when you say, what is Forex trading? What is Forex trading? What is Forex trading? Forex trading is the act of buying money and waiting for a shift in an exchange rate and then selling it back to the market for profit. You know, I said it in the beginning that every major goal of every Forex trader, or every individual or institutions trading in the Forex market is to make profits. But Forex trading is the act of buying money and waiting for a shift or an increase in the exchange rate and then selling it back to the market for profits. One perfect example is Nigerian Naira and the US dollar. If you buy the if you buy dollar as at last year, let's just say 2023, dollar to Naira was around 500 to 700 for $1. So if you had bought, let's say $100 then at 500 Naira per dollar, $100 would be 50,000 as at last year. But as at this year now, that the dollar to Naira value is about 1.5 to 1.6 as at the time this video is being recorded. That means that your 50,000 that you got, your 50,000 Naira that you used to get $100 as at last year, as at now, your $100 is about 150 to 160K. That means you've made a profit of about 100 to 110,000 Naira on just that transaction alone. And that is a typical explanation of how Forex trading generally works. We'll still get into the individual aspects, but that is the dynamics that surrounds how Forex trading works. So if someone says, I'm trading Euro USD or I'm trading GBP USD, it means that you are either buying or selling Euro USD or GBP USD, or you are transacting in the market into those currencies. Or you are transacting in the market with those currency, Euro USD, GBP USD. And there are so many strategies that are used in Forex. Some people use EA. Sorry, just a minute. So some people use EA, which is also called expert advisors. Then technical analysis, you already know that. Those are some of the strategies that they use. Technical analysis, retail, bots. Some people use bots. Some people use indicators. And every other different strategies. They are all accepted in the Forex market. And you can also define Forex as a mutually agreed exchange of currencies in a decentralized network. So the volatility in the market makes Forex markets very attractive because the prices are not stagnant. The market is always moving. And that is basically because there's so much fund, there's so much money, there's so much liquidity in the market running into trillions of dollars. Now, Forex pairs really move in high percentage, unlike the crypto market, but it is still more volatile than the crypto market. And this is because there's crazy, stupid, and bastard money in Forex. And the opportunities are so numerous that if you know what you are doing, you will make a lot of money trading in the Forex market. So like I said, back to the time frame. So back to this now. FX market opens at Sydney. It opens at Sydney, then it moves to Tokyo, then it opens at London, and then New York. So the four financial centers, they basically have the time frame that the market opens and closes in them. Even though there are other minor ones, these are the four major financial centers or trading time zones or sessions. I'm sure you'll have heard people say, I'm trading in the London session, or I'm trading in the New York session, I'm trading in the Asian session. So Tokyo is literally the Asian session / Sydney. Then New York is New York session. Then London is London session. It's very, very straightforward. And the acronym is STLN. That is the acronym. STLN. LN. You already know what it signifies. Sydney, Tokyo, London, New York. So the market opens at Sydney, then it enters into Tokyo, then it enters into London session, then New York session. Do you get? This is very, very straightforward. And the timing is also different. However, the major sessions with the highest volatilities are the London and New York session. And this is literally because a lot of traders are awake and active during these two sessions across the world. It falls within the time frame that most traders in the world are actually active. That is why it has the highest volume and volatility in the Forex market. And also, a lot of exchanges are transacting during this period. We'll still get into that much later. And Forex trading is very straightforward. It is not complicated at all. And it will change your life if you can put in the necessary effort to know and understand it, especially as a Nigerian. This is because earning in dollars and withdrawing or spending in Naira, it is very, very beautiful. And it will definitely change your life. You can make life-changing money from trading the Forex market. In the next video or in the next class, I'll be talking about currency pairs, quotes, lot sizes, position sizes, and the likes. So that will be the end of this introductory class. And in this introductory class, I talked about Forex trading, how Forex is the short form for foreign exchange, and the fact that the market has a daily volume of $5 to $7 trillion every single day. And the Forex market is open 24/5, that is Monday to Fridays, literally because currencies are traded majorly by banks and some financial exchanges, which are only opened on weekdays. And I also said that the crypto market is open 24/7, same as the synthetic indices market. They are all open 24/7. We'll still get into that much later. And I also said that Forex is decentralized. It doesn't work with centralized exchanges like Binance or Bybit or OKX or Binance for crypto traders. And you have to make use of global banks, dealers, and brokers to be able to trade the Forex market. And I also said that currencies are traded worldwide in 4 major financial centers, which are Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. I also talked about how the 4 different sessions have different time frames where they open and they close. And I said we will get much into that much later. And what else? I think that is basically majorly what I talked about. And I also said the 2 major sessions with the highest volume and volatilities is the London and New York session. And I said Forex trading is not really complicated. It's very straightforward. And you can make a lot of life-changing money from trading the Forex market. So I think that will be all in this class. I'll see you in the next class. I remain Olarewaju, aka Larry, or the Eminent Trader. Thank you and God bless.
Follow me for more educative contents like this.